Well, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is being safe out there, and today I wanted to invite you to follow my tutorial in this very cute handbag. I have used single crochet ribbing here and t-shirt yarn, and this kind of style, it's a style that depends on your color choice and you can adapt it in any kind of season. So I thought I will share with you this small cute little bag, very easy to do, very beginner friendly, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe if you are new, and if you haven't been following me yet on my other social media platforms, please do so. And without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. I am going to use this kind of t-shirt yarn, which is quite thin t-shirt yarn. If you are going to go with a thicker t-shirt yarn, then you have to start with less chains on the chain base, okay? So you just have to try, but it has to be an odd number. Because you have the increase and the decrease. Always have to start with like 7 or 9 or 11 or 12, 13. You can't go with even numbers. Okay, so I am going to start with 35 chain stitches at the base, and I'm going to use a 4.5 mm hook. So together with the slip knot, I am going to do another 34 chain stitches. So together with the slip knot, there are going to be 35. Okay, so I did 35 chain stitches, including this one and the slip knot. And now on the way back, I am going to grab always this chain. You see the chain here on this side. I'm going to work this circle over here. This is where I'm going to do and grab the first row. So I am going to divide this into equal parts, so it's 35 stitches, right? So we have 17 in one side, 17 in the other side, and 1 in the center. So we are going, the one in the center, we are going to do the increases and the decreases at the end. So first I'm going to do 17 single crochet stitches until the 18th stitch. Okay, so on the way back I do one more chain stitch for the turning. So on the way back I will grab, not this one but this one. This is the first one where we insert the hook and one single crochet. So let's do 17 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I did 17 stitches with a single crochet, and now at the 18th one I'm going to do 3 single crochet stitches in one stitch. 1, 2 in the same stitch, and 3 stitches in the same stitch. I'm gonna put a marker at the, we did 1, 2, 3. At the second one I'm gonna put a marker because I'm gonna do again on the way back, I'm gonna do another increase, which is going to be right here in the center. Okay, so on the way back we are going to do another 17 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, follow me in my other social media platforms, check my Etsy shop, and I just want to thank you everybody for coming to this point and watching the whole tutorial if you did so. Thank you so much. Okay, I will see you on my next tutorial, and without further ado, tschüss everybody and stay safe.